Hey HIST 101 students, Professor Benlu here with a quick video to get you psyched for Unit 4. Okay, so on Monday, which will be March 15th, I'll be holding my office hours from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time as usual. And then on Tuesday, which will be March 16th, day before St. Patty's Day, we will be holding chat number 5, our very last chat. I get sad at the very last chat. I get sentimental because I love working with you all, and it makes me sad when we all have to end the semester and move on. So chat number 5 will be held on Tuesday, March 16th, and that will be at our regularly scheduled time. Check out the classroom for details. Okay, remaining Unit 4 due dates, everybody. Remember, Unit 4 is very important. It's a big deal because of the Unit 4 discussion board assignment. Your Unit 4 discussion board original post was due yesterday, which was Friday, March 12th. And on Tuesday, which will be March 16th, you're going to have 2 important things due in this class. Firstly, you are going to have Unit 4 and Telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then secondly, on Tuesday, March 16th, you will have Unit 4 discussion board response post due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Remember, the response post, you respond to 2 of your classmates. And remember, tailor your post to your classmates' post and answer the 4 questions, and you will have no problem meeting the 100-word requirement for each of your response posts. Okay, so then Unit 5 due dates, the last due dates in this class. Friday, which will be Friday, March 19th, you will have Unit 5 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And you know the drill. Having determined knowledge completed by the Friday deadline is important because it allows the system to create the learning nodes or path that you must complete for the Tuesday and Telepath deadline. So then Tuesday, which will be March 23rd, you will have your Unit 5 and Telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Be diligently working on Unit 4 discussion board, and please let me know if you have any questions. Have a good one, everybody.